we have to know what is gate. A digital circuit having one or more input signals but only one output signal is called a gate. This is the basic gate. First one is NOT. It's also called inverter and OR gate and AND gate. The inverter is also called as NOT gate, is often referred as two-state operation. It has one input A and one output Y. Boolean equation y equal to not A, we can call it as y equal to A bar. This is the logical diagram for inverter, and this is the truth table. It has only one input and only one output, which is alternative. If we give input as 0 means we can get output as 1, when give the one input as 1 we can get output as 0. OR gate has two or more input signals but only one output signal. It is called OR gate. Bubbled NAND gate is equal to the OR gate. Boolean equations for this OR gate is y equal to a plus b. And this is the logical diagram for OR gate, and this is the truth table. When we get both inputs are low, then only we get output also low. Otherwise, we can get high value as 1. And the AND gate. AND gate has high input only when all inputs are high. This is the Boolean equation y equal to AB. This is the logical diagram for AND gate, and we can get only high input when both inputs are high. And next we are going to see about universal gates. These two gates are called universal gate, NOR gate and NAND gate. NOR gate is also called as not OR gate because the circuit is an OR gate followed by an inverter. The only way to get high input is to have both input is low. This is the Boolean equation y equal to a plus b the whole bar. This is the logical diagram. First OR gate and next one is inverter. And this is the truth table. When both inputs are low value, which means 0, then only we can get high value as 1. And NAND gate. NOT AND operation is also known as NAND operation. Y equals not A and B, or Y equals the complement of A and B, because the circuit is AND gate followed by an inverter. This is the Boolean equation y equal to AB the whole bar. This is logical diagram of NAND gate. This is AND gate and this is NOT gate. AND gate followed by NOT gate. And this is the truth table. When we get both inputs are high, which is 1 means we can get output as 0. This is the truth table for NAND gate. I hope you might understand what is basic gate and universal gate. Thank you for watching.